I will show you today how to prepare a grilled vegetable salad, okay? This idea is a little bit adopted from that Italian antipasti. We will do that similar, but we choose different vegetables which fit in our ideal weight detox diet. And we will also serve it with I call it detox sauce de Provence. We need to grill our vegetable first, and before that we need to slice the vegetables as well, okay? For that I have a very nice machine called a mandolin, okay? We will now slice, with help of our mandolin, some of the pumpkin. I think we should have enough with 3 slices. Let's see. Then 3 slices of zucchini. One, 2, 3, well done. And the rest of the ingredients are cauliflower, which I have pre-cut already. Should be a size of that. Broccoli, which is the size of that. And asparagus. We are now here poolside at the cafe where we usually serve lunch, and we have a fantastic grill right here. At home you might not have equipment like that, then I would suggest you to cook, put everything in the pan nicely and just cook in the oven for around 3 to 4 minutes just to soften the vegetable, okay? And I will start putting the pumpkin on it first. Here we go. They're gonna take like most of a long time because it's a little bit thicker. Then also on the back of it I will put the broccoli, cauliflower, the asparagus, and at the bottom the zucchini. Be careful with the zucchini though, that's why I put them in the bottom, because then it's easier to handle, to flip them around, you know. They also might get a little bit sticky. These vegetables are gonna take 2 to 3 minutes. We're gonna shut down the lid so it's gonna be a little bit faster cooking, and we're gonna flip them over between. Now it's 2 minutes later and the vegetable should be ready to get flipped over. Be really careful with it, and as you can see the brown spots coming already through. But I'm gonna put it now on a lower level as it might get overcooked, and the zucchini takes obviously less than all the other vegetables. Here's the asparagus. Now I will flip over the pumpkin here. It's really hot. The broccoli got some color too. That looks good for me already. We're gonna close the lid again and cook it for another minute, and then it should be it. Before we start seasoning and wrapping up the grilled vegetable, we have to prepare our detox sauce de Provence, okay? So I cut them in quarter. We have to take out the seeds of the grapes, and we have to take off the skin as well. What we're gonna do is now separate the flesh from the skin, because we don't want to have the skin in our sauce, okay? Okay. And now we're gonna chop the grapes very fine. Okay. We have chopped it now, and you see it's quite fine. Okay, this is perfect the way it is. We're gonna put it in this little mixing bowl right here. We see here coriander, basil, and rosemary. We see tarragon, we see thyme, parsley, we see mint. Let's chop this all fine. Fine enough. It shouldn't be too super fine. Just like the grapes, a little bit roughly. So you can see a little bit more of bigger chunks. That makes it look more attractive anyways. Now we're gonna add a little bit of pumpkin seed as well into our dressing. Chop a little bit of shallot and a little bit of garlic. There should be enough. So let's chop this a little finer, as it's nicer if you have not too many big pieces in it, as it might be a little bit overpowering then, especially the garlic. Okay, it should be fine. Here we go. So now we have almost everything inside except the liquid. So we add a little bit of grape juice, which we have over here. Just to give them more the consistency of a liquid, right? So now obviously it's very sweet. For that reason, we're gonna add a little bit of apple cider vinegar. And grape seed oil. Here we go. So let me check the flavor. I'm sure we have to add a little bit of salt, pepper. It's nice already. The herbs are nice. They're really coming through, you know. It makes it really, really exciting. All the eteric oils are building up now. Yummy. So, dressing is done then. Let's start with the vegetables then. Of course, we have to season the vegetables first with our olive oil balsamic vinaigrette, okay, which I have right here. And it would be nice to get a little bit more flavor into it, okay? So, let's start first drizzling everywhere a little bit of the dressing. Yeah, fantastic. So that gives them a little bit sour note. This one is a little bit sweet, but has that very, very herbal flavor. So it's gonna be a really nice match-up. So pepper black all over the blade. Sea salt. Okay. Now make sure the seasoning is everywhere. So we rub it around a little bit. And nice. You know, you got this roast aromatics right now. And then the olive oil, balsamic, salt, pepper, and makes it already yummy. Combined with that sauce, it's gonna be really good. Nice. So let's go ahead. One layer of pumpkin, one layer of the zucchini. Then for the stuffing, we use cauliflower, broccoli, put underneath the asparagus, fold it in, turn around. So let's do 2 more packages of those. Okay. Put this one on the side then. Here we go. So let's get a plate. Put these on top. Marinate them a little bit with our sauce de Provence. Okay. So we don't unnecessarily dirty the plate too much, you know. Okie doke. So let's put these pieces then on the plate. So, make sure that a lot of herbs on it. So that's all the flavor, you know. Yes, and now a little bit liquid around. Wow, and that's it. Here it is. This was our grilled vegetable salad with detox sauce de Provence. Please enjoy.